Hi, my name's Alfredo Salgado. I've been a massage therapist for 10 years, and during this whole time, I've been connected to chiropractors and I've been adjusted all over the place. The majority of the time, chiropractors use cookie cutter techniques, meaning they will adjust your neck, back, legs, feet, and you're pretty much done. Dr. G, he uses a different method. Basically, he's tying kinesiology, so he's able to basically tell from the force of the muscle and how you can feel where it's connected, and he's able to adjust those certain areas to give you that proper relief. So you don't have to sit here in the chiropractic office for an hour or two. He's able to adjust you to the exact point of your pain, and he's able to help you. So I highly recommend for you to come try him out. Excellent doctor, down to earth, real funny, and very professional.